Yes, you read it right, you don't need any coding experience to create this email signature. Follow the steps in this tutorial, and you'll quickly create a professional email signature that's ready to use. This signature is compatible with all major email clients, including Outlook, Apple Mail, Gmail, Yahoo, Samsung Mail, Thunderbird, Zimbra, and more. Now, let's create an email signature for you. First, download the HTML file of the signature using the link provided in the description. Step 1. Preparing the image. To ensure compatibility across all email clients, we'll make the profile image circular. Some email clients don't support border radius or advanced CSS, so it's best to use a pre-cropped circular image. First, go to Google and search for crop circle image online. Click on the first website that appears, upload your image, and use the cursor to draw a circle around the face. Once the circle is complete, click Crop Circle and download the image. Ensure the image size is under 200 kilobytes. Large images may not display properly in some email clients. If your image is too large, I've included a link in the description to a free tool for reducing image size. Step 2. Uploading the image to a server. We'll use a free image hosting platform called imgbb.com. Sign up using Google, then drag and drop your circular image onto the platform. Select the Don't Auto-Delete option so the image stays hosted permanently. Click Upload, and once it's done, copy the link provided below the image. Now, open the HTML file you downloaded earlier and locate the img tag on line 190. Replace the existing image link in the src attribute with the one you just copied. Good news! The other images are already added, so you don't need to repeat this process for them. For editing the HTML file, I recommend using Visual Studio Code. If you don't have it installed, download and install it now. Once installed, add the live server extension to preview the email signature in your browser as you work on it. Step 3. Personalizing the signature. First, replace Emma Davis with your name in the title tag at line 12. Next, update Emma Davis with your name in the H1 tag at line 210. Then, add your profession in the P tag at line 215. You can choose to write it in either uppercase or lowercase, depending on your preference. First, add your contact number in the ref attribute of the anchor tag on line 240. Start with tel, plus followed by your country code. For example, if your country is the USA, use tel +1. Then, immediately after the country code, enter your mobile number without any spaces. Add the same contact number in the content of the anchor tag. To prevent the number from appearing blue or underlined, insert the hashtag 8203 code anywhere within the number. Next, to add your website, paste the website link into the ref attribute of the anchor tag on line 252. Ensure the link starts with https://. Add the same website URL in the content of the anchor tag. To avoid the text appearing blue or underlined, insert the hashtag 8203 code anywhere within the website URL. Now to add the email address, write mailto in the ref attribute of the anchor tag given in line number 264 and then add the email address. Add the email address in the content of the same anchor tag. To ensure the email address text does not appear blue or underlined, place the hashtag 8203 code anywhere within the email address. To include your location, generate a location link using Google Maps. Find your location in Google Maps, then click on it and select the Share option. Copy the link given under the Share option. Then, paste the copied link in the ref attribute of the anchor tag on line 276. Add the location in text form inside the content of the same anchor tag. To prevent the location text from appearing blue or underlined, add the hashtag 8203 code anywhere inside the location text. To make all images clickable, replace the links in the ref attributes of anchor tags on lines 182, 189, 196, 235, 247, 259, and 271 with your website link. If you want, you can use different links for each image. To preview your signature, open the HTML file in Visual Studio Code and click the Go Live option provided by the Live Server extension. This will let you see the changes live in your browser. After making these changes, the email signature will look perfect on the live server. I've also tested this signature across multiple email clients, including Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, and Apple Mail. Screenshots of these tests are included in the download folder linked in the description. If you're unsure how to add this signature to Gmail or Outlook, check the video links in the description. For any issues, feel free to reach out to me at care@aegodmail.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides like this one.